I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on in here, y'all. Come on in here to Cooking with Sandra Faye. Today, y'all, I am going to make Southern style chicken salad. How many of y'all love chicken salad? Southern style. Now, there's many different ways to make chicken salad, y'all. But you know, I don't put any grapes in mine. I don't put any nuts. You can do that if you like to with this recipe. Now, I found this recipe years ago, and I'm telling you, it turns out great every time. You gonna love it, okay? You can put salt in it, or you don't have to. It really doesn't need any salt, but it's up to you and your taste buds. With all of that being said, let's make this Southern style chicken salad. Here are all the ingredients I am using today. 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, or you can use canned chicken, like I did. I used 2 12-ounce cans of chicken breast. Turns out just fine, y'all. Don't worry about it. And I'm gonna chop up 3 eggs. 3 eggs, chop them up. And I am using 2/3 of mayo. Duke's mayonnaise. I love Duke's, y'all. You can use whatever kind you want. 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. Yellow mustard. You can use Dijon mustard if you want to. That's up to you. And I'm also using 1/4 cup of red onions. I don't know why they call it red, because it's purple to me. But hey, whatever works. And 1/2 cup of celery, y'all. Okay, chop fine. Chop it up fine, okay? You don't want chunks of celery. Well, maybe some of y'all do, but I know I don't. All right. And I'm using 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. And right here I have 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Yes, garlic powder, y'all. I think that covers everything. All right, let's get to making this. Easy and simple. This is simple and easy, y'all. All you gotta do is just add all your ingredients. Simple and easy. If you can't do this, something is wrong with you. That's what I'm gonna say about that. Add your mayo, add your mustard. Just put it all in there, okay? Add everything. You ain't gotta do it in this order. Whatever way you wanna do it, hey, that's up to you. Okay. Adding my red onions. Really and truly, they're purple. I'm adding my celery. Oh, yes. 1/2 cup of that diced celery. I'm telling you, that's good. I'm adding my eggs. Woo-wee. But you know what, though? I'm going to add my seasonings in last, okay? Let me get my big spoon and stir all this up. Get out of there. Get out of there. You can't be hiding. Okay, I'm going to stir it around, y'all. Now, you can add more mayo or you can add less mayo. It's according to how creamy you like yours, okay? Everybody like their texture just a little bit different, and that's okay. Okay, I won't get mad. But I'm telling you, if you do it this way, it's going to be perfect every time, y'all. You can add your nuts in there. You can add your grapes, apples, whatever you want to add in here. But I'm telling y'all, that canned chicken, it can be used for almost anything. When I say anything, you can put it on top of a salad. You can put it on top of a pizza. I mean, you can make a sandwich out of it. Whatever you want to do. Hey, that's all I'm going to say about that. Moving right along here. Do you see it? See how creamy? You hear that? Do you hear that? Okay. Sound like something else, but I won't mention it. All right. I'm adding my pepper and my garlic. Blend it in very well, y'all. See how simple this is? See how simple and quick? Blend it in well. Be sure you taste it to make sure that you have enough salt in there for you, okay? Like I keep saying, all right? Don't be saying, hey, this ain't got enough salt. But it's according to what type of mayo that you use, people. It really does depend on that, okay? And also mustard. You know, mustard has salt, so that's why you got to be careful. Be careful. But to me, this is enough, okay? Like I said, if you need more mayo, add it. Add the mayo if you need more. All right, let me plate this up. You can also eat this on toast, okay? A bed of lettuce. You can eat it on crackers. You can eat it like a dip with a chip. So whatever, however you want to eat this will be fine. But they're going to love you for it. They're going to love it. It's time for a taste test, y'all. Look at that. I'm telling you, your family gonna love you for this one. It's great. Let me taste this. I know it's good because it's good every time. Man, with some crackers or some kind of pocket bread, put it in there and put the lettuce. Oh, let me tell you, this is great almost any time. I can taste the onions. I can taste the eggs. Oh Lord, it's so good. I can taste almost everything up in here that I put in here. But let me tell y'all, you might want to let this cool. Once you make it, put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for about 3 to 4 hours so the flavors and the onions can get in there, okay? I can even taste that Duke mayonnaise. Man, I'm telling you, it's good. But you can really have this for any time, y'all, okay? You can have it for snack time. You can have it for dinner. You can have it for a potluck. I don't know about breakfast. Maybe you can, I don't know. But lunch, anytime, really, it's great for this. All right. That's all I'm going to say about that. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Do that for Sandra, please. I'm trying to build up my channel. Thank you so very much for the people who like and share my videos. And comment down below. I love when y'all do that, okay? Now, how do you get rid of some of the trolls, though? Had to get rid of them because some of them came over here talking about, ooh, I don't like the way you act. Well, then, hey, I'm going to help you out. I'm going to delete you permanently, okay? When you come down here in my comment section talking smack about me, hey, you gone for good, okay? I'm not that kind to sit around and let people talk about me. You got to teach people how to treat you. Always remember that tip, y'all. Always. All right. With all that being said, y'all, make sure that you come back next week to Cooking with Sandra.